A dark unfathomed tide of interminable pride, a mystery and a dream should my early life seem. I say that dream was fraught with wild and waking thought of beings that have been, which my spirit hath not seen. Had I let them pass by with a dreaming eye.
Let none of earth inherit that vision on my spirit. Those thoughts I would control as a spell upon his soul. For that bright hope at last, and that light time have passed, and my worldly rest hath gone, with a sigh as it passed on. I care not though it perish, with a thought I did then cherish.
From childhood's hour I have not been, as others were I have not seen. As others saw I could not bring my passions from a coming spring. From the same source I have not taken, my sorrow I could not awaken. My heart to joy at all the same tone, and all I loved alone. Then in my childhood, in the dawn of my most stormy life was drawn, from every depth of good and ill, the mystery which binds me still. From the turret of the fountain to the red cliff of the mountains, from the sun that round me rolled in its autumn tint of gold, from the lightning in the sky as it passed me flying by, from the thunder and the storm and the cloud that took the form, when the rest of the heaven was blue, of a demon in my view.
Thou wast that all to me love, for which my soul did pine, a green isle in the sea, love, a fountain and a shrine, all wreathed with fairy fruits and flowers, and all the flowers were mine. Ah, dream too bright to last, ah, starry hope that did arise, but to be overcast, a voice from out the future cries, on, but o'er the past, dim gulf my spirit hovering lies, mute, motionless, aghast. For alas, alas, with me, the light of life is o'er. No more, no more, no more, such language holds the solemn seed to the sands upon the shore. Shall bloom the thunder-blasted tree, or the shrieking eagle soar. And all my days are trances, and all my nightly dreams are where thy grey eye glances, and where thy footstep gleams, in what ethereal dances, by what eternal streams.
A dark unfathomed tide of interminable pride, a mystery and a dream should my early life seem. I say my dream was fraught with a wild and waking thought of beings that have been, which my spirit hath not seen. Had I let them pass me by with a dreaming eye, let none of earth inherit that vision on my spirit. Those thoughts I would control as a spell upon his soul, for that bright hope at last, and that light time have passed, and my worldly rest hath gone, with a sigh as it passed on. I care not though it perish, with a thought I then did cherish.
There are some qualities, some incorporate things, that have a double life, which thus is made, a type of that twin entity which springs from matter and light, evinced in solid and shade. There is twofold silence, sea and shore, body and soul. One dwells in lonely places, newly with grass o'ergrown, some solemn graces, some human memories and tearful lore, render him terrorless, his name's no more. He's the corporate silence, dread him not. No power hath he of evil in himself, but should be urgent fate, bring thee to meet his shadow, commend thyself to God.
Gaily benight, a gallant knight, in sunshine and shadow, had journeyed long, singing a song in search of El Dorado. But he grew old, this knight so bold, and o'er his heart a shadow fell as he found no spot of ground that looked like El Dorado.
And as his strength failed him at length, he met a pilgrim shadow. Shadow, said he, where can it be, this land of El Dorado? Over the mountains of the moon, down the valley of the shadow, ride, boldly ride, the shade replied, if you seek El Dorado.
Take this kiss upon the brow, and in parting from you now, thus much let avow, you are not wrong who deem that my days has been a dream. Yet if hope has flown away in a night or a day, in a vision or in none, is therefore the less gone. All we see or seem is but a dream within a dream. I stand amid a roar for surf, torment, shore, and I hold within hand grains of golden sand. How feel, how they creep, feel my fingers through the deep. Why weep? While I weep, oh God, can I grasp? Then a tighter clasp, oh God, can I not save? One from a pitiless wave. Was that we see or seem but a dream, or with a dream?
Take this kiss upon the brow, and you, in parting from you now, thus much let me avow, you are not wrong, that my days have been a dream. Yet, if hope has flown away, in a night or in a day, in a vision or in none, is it therefore the less gone? All that we see or seem is but a dream within a dream.
I stand amid the roar, on a surf-tormented shore, and I hold within my hand grains of the golden sand. How few, yet how they creep through my fingers to the deep, while I weep, while I weep. Oh God, I cannot grasp them with a tighter clasp. Oh God, I cannot save one from the pitiless wave. Is that all that we see or seem but a dream within a dream?